Hi guys, this is Patrick from NoipGeeks.com. Now, as you all know, the Christmas season is just right around the corner. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung mga shopping malls, puno na ng mga tao as people are starting to buy Christmas gifts for their loved ones this coming holiday season. In relation to that, Huawei introduced two new color variants for the Huawei Nova 3. This is actually the new Huawei Nova 3 Christmas colors. It's available for the Huawei Nova 3i and the Huawei Nova 3. So with the Nova 3i, we have the pearl white version, and for the Nova 3, we have the red. And today, as you can see, Huawei sent us two of these new color variants for the Nova 3 series, and we will be checking them out starting with the Nova 3i. So here is the new Huawei Nova 3i in pearl white. So buksan natin siya. There you go. You just peel off this plastic. And yeah. So as you can see, the pearl white version has this, a white back panel and the silver metal edges. This color variant actually feels really refreshing, considering that yung mga nauuso na color variants ngayon are color gradient, like we have the iris purple for the Nova 3i then, which is color blue that transitions to purple, which is actually very nice, no? Pero if you want something that's more subtle, more simple, then you would really appreciate this one. So just for a quick rundown on the specs, no, we have a quad camera setup on the Nova 3i, which is actually one of its biggest strengths. So on the front, we have a 24 megapixel and 2 megapixel dual cameras, while on the back, we have a 16 megapixel and 2 megapixel cameras. On the front, as you can see, we have a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display with a notch on top. And on the inside, it runs on a Kirin 710 processor with a 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Now, if you're curious on what's the other things that's included in the box now, let's just see what we have here. Of course, we have the SIM ejector tool, your user manual, and a clear case. So, para kahit lagyan siya ng case, makita niyo pa rin yung magandang color niya. And we also have a wall adapter, a micro USB cable, and a pair of headphones. So yeah, basically that's it. This is the new Huawei Nova 3i in pearl white. Now let's head on to the new Huawei Nova 3 in red. Let's open it up. So this, if I can just boot this up, this is the new Huawei Nova 3 in red. Unlike the white version na medyo mas Christmassy yung color, medyo tugma siya dito sa Christmas bonnet sa gilid. It's really vibrant because of the glass back panel then. And unlike the Nova 3i, actually this is more, it feels more nice and dense because of the curved edges and really slim profile. Much like Nova 3i, this one actually also offers a quad camera setup. But since this is a more premium smartphone, on the back you're getting a 24 megapixel and 16 megapixel dual cameras. While on the front, we have a 24 megapixel plus 2 megapixel cameras. And again, it's a premium smartphone, so it runs on a Kirin 970 processor, which is the same processor that you would see on Huawei's other higher end, even flagship devices like the Huawei P20 Pro and the Mate 10 of last year. The screen is pretty much the same. Now we still have a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus screen, although the battery has been bumped up to 3,750 milliamps. So yeah, basically that's it. This is the new Huawei Nova 3 in red, and we have the Huawei Nova 3i in pearl white. The Huawei Nova 3i retails for 15,990 pesos, while the Huawei Nova 3 is available for 25,990 pesos. And if you're planning on purchasing one for a special loved one this Christmas, Huawei is actually holding their Makes No Possible promo until January 15th, where you can get the Huawei Nova 3i or the Nova 3 with a free outdoor speaker that is valued at 2,990 pesos. But before you actually pull the trigger, you might want to check out our full review of these devices. which you can check out at noipgeeks.com in our website. So yeah, basically that's it. Again, this has been Patch Creative from noipgeeks.com, and Merry Christmas!